Alright, and welcome back. This has been a video that has been held off for some time. Long enough to where I could say I've gathered some things that should probably be unboxed, and I thought I'd do a video unboxing them rather than just opening them up myself. And so here we have a package from the official goods store. At least I think it's official for MAMAMOO. It is a day late and $1 short, I guess you could say. I already went to the concert, so it's just been sitting here. The concert was last week, yeah. So it was a while ago now. And then this came maybe a day or two after the concert, and I just have been lazy to open it. But let's go ahead and crack into it. This should be the light stick. I also have a shirt coming, but I don't know. It's like, it was kind of iffy. Like, that being said, I hope everything's good here. I probably should have opened this as soon as I got it, but whatever, it is what it is. Let's see, is this good enough? Yep, so we go. Just toss that aside, and then did come pretty well packaged here, so not bad. A little bit of tape right there. Just get that going. Oh, darn. Okay. And then we could unwind it like that. Get rid of the packaging. And so here we go. We do have the MAMAMOO box here. And so there is the description of what's in the box. There is the logo for MAMAMOO. Here's some copyright information for RBW. And then, oh, I guess on this side it actually has what it is. The official light stick for MAMAMOO. All right, and so let's go ahead and crack open into it. So there's no tape that's actually holding the box closed. So you could actually just open it. Looks like I opened it from the bottom. Oh, yep, so that's probably the top right there, since that is the MAMAMOO logo. But anyhow, I can just pull it out this way, that's fine. There's nothing else in the box. Ugh, can't turn my arm that way, there you go. As you can see, it's empty. And then as we unbox it here. Oh, that's cool. They have stickers. They provide stickers, I'm almost for sure, yeah, to put on the light stick. So you could have Moonbyul, let's see, that's probably Hween. No, that's both Moonbyul, that's both Solar, and if I'm not mistaken, there's another set in here, yep, that's Hween, and then there's Hwasa. So that is all four of them. I can't really get them on this camera. Maybe on this view. Oh, well, there is what? Moonbyul and Solar. And then this is Hween and Hwasa. Just put those aside. Yeah, this is just your standard light stick. Get it on this side. Nothing too fancy. It does come with the bracelet. Let's see. Can this focus? I don't know if that's going to capture it. But this says MAMAMOO on both sides. Yeah, that is not capturing that at all. Let's see. So let's go ahead and put the wrist strap on. Don't know what version 2.5 means. I'll have to go look up the other versions to see how this is, but Let's see, I think if I just slide it in there, it should just pop out right there. And then get that through the wrist strap. Okay, there's the Daikon. I love the story behind this, if I recall correctly. The story is the fact that since they started off small and they weren't a really well-known company, the fans used to bring a Daikon to kind of shake up at the performers, MAMAMOO, on stage. And so that is pretty awesome. Just realized there's no booklet with this. I don't know if there's any, like, how the different lighting setups work for it, but got some batteries, so we'll go ahead and throw them in. I wonder if it's the standard 3 or, yep, standard 3 batteries, and just set that down, open it up, put these aside. If there's no Bluetooth in it, you could actually leave the batteries inside of this bad boy. But if there is Bluetooth, I believe it's been notorious that the Bluetooth in these light sticks just drain these little batteries out. Okay, yeah, that was weird. So I must have accidentally pressed the button already. And snap in. There we go. That last battery does not want to snap in appropriately. Got it. Okay, so it changes color. That's kind of like a yellowish color. Here's a green, and then a red, and then a magenta, almost purple. Maybe I should put the MAMAMOO box in here too, seeing how this is the MAMAMOO unboxing and not the G-Idol. Then we have blue, and then the basic white. Oh, I wonder. Okay, so if you double click, yeah, it starts to flash. Yeah. So clicking it once just changes the color. The double click makes it flash. I think it's going to flash faster if I double click it again. Yep. Your standard. And then I wonder if I do it again. This is, if you want to give someone a seizure type of deal. And then let's see one more time. Oh, that's cool. It goes through the different colors. And then back to solid, or is it going to slowly change? Nope, just looks like solid. Okay, and then is it a long hold to turn it off? So it vibrates. Yeah, that is kind of weird. So you long hold, it vibrates to turn on. Okay. All right. Yep, so no Bluetooth. I think that's great. This was one of the more expensive light sticks that I've purchased. I do have a Dreamcatcher light stick. That was pretty expensive too, but still cheaper than this one. And it's funny because I really want this, or wanted this. That's why I purchased it. And it was so hard to find. I was actually looking for it in Korea while I was walking around going to like K-pop stores, but everywhere was sold out, which makes so much more sense on why this actually cost as much as it did. It was $100, which this by far is the most expensive light stick that I've purchased. But yeah, this has been the MAMAMOO light stick. I will when it gets darker, I'll turn this on in the dark to show what it looks like when it's night out. But I think right now is actually a pretty good time. The sun keeps changing here, I do notice, and it is kind of like the mid to late afternoon, so it shouldn't have to wait too much longer. But that being said, I didn't get any swag or any merchandise while I was at the concert. I just didn't really like any of the designs. I did purchase a shirt off the website that this came from, so hopefully that'll be coming soon, which is one of their touring shirts. Tomorrow is actually Twice's concert, so I plan on actually buying one sweatshirt or hoodie from there, so hopefully they'll have that available. I don't know how crazy that's going to be. I'm going to get there a little early. I am actually pretty impressed with this. It's really nice. It does feel like cheap comparative to like my other light sticks, I feel, but that being said, it actually has like a real thick plastic feel. Like I think you could really hurt someone with this if you if you were to hit them, more so than with Blackpink's Byongbong. Yeah, this is pretty awesome. I'm glad that I could add this to my collection. Wish I was able to use it at their concert, but it is what it is. And yeah, I still got a couple more light sticks to unbox here, so let's go ahead and I'll see you in the next video.
Listen to me, 들어봐 아무렇지 않게 웃는 너의 모습